How much should you actually spend on a Cartier watch? Because you see some going for a fortune while others seem like a bargain. The truth is, price doesn't always reflect quality, and that's what we're diving into today. Product number 1, Cartier Ballon Bleu. First up is the Cartier Ballon Bleu. This iconic piece really catches the eye with its unique round case and signature sapphire cabochon. Priced around $6,500, if you're looking for elegance and a timeless design, this watch is worth a serious look. The Ballon Bleu features a 40-toum stainless steel case that is water-resistant up to 30 meters, which means a splash here and there won't harm it. The automatic movement ensures precision, which is perfect for someone who values reliability in their timepiece. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It combines both style and function, making it suitable for both formal and casual occasions. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing though, that weight actually adds a sense of quality and luxury, so if you're after a substantial piece, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want to make a statement without compromising on functionality. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter, more understated watch. In terms of value, it's a substantial investment that offers both prestige and performance. Product number 2, Cartier Santos Dumont. Next, we have the Cartier Santos Dumont. This watch stands out with its square face and minimalist design, priced around $5,500. If you appreciate classic elegance, this one's definitely worth a look. The Santos Dumont comes with a 38mm stainless steel case and leather strap, giving it a sophisticated feel. The quartz movement ensures accuracy, which is essential for those who are always on the go. This watch has a water resistance of 30 meters, meaning it's functional enough for daily wear. Here's why this matters. You get a watch that not only looks great but also performs reliably, which is crucial if you value your time. However, some users have mentioned that the leather strap can feel a bit stiff at first. But honestly, once it breaks in, it becomes incredibly comfortable, so I wouldn't let that minor issue hold you back. This is great for you if you want a watch that embodies a rich history of aviation and adventure. Skip this one if you're looking for something sportier. For the price, you're investing in a piece that's as much a conversation starter as it is a timekeeper. Product number 3, Cartier Calibre de Cartier. Now let's talk about the Cartier Calibre de Cartier. With a price tag around $7,000, it's designed for those who appreciate modern luxury. If you want a bold look with a sporty vibe, this one's for you. This watch features a 40-toum case with a striking black dial and luminous hands, making it super easy to read. The in-house movement means it's not just about looks, it's got impressive engineering behind it. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, which is perfect if you lead an active lifestyle. Here's why that's important. You can wear it swimming or during outdoor activities without worrying about damaging it. That said, it's worth noting that some reviewers point out the size might feel a bit large on smaller wrists. But if you're someone who likes a bold statement on your wrist, that won't be a deal breaker. This is ideal for you if you want a watch that's both sporty and sophisticated. Skip this if you prefer a classic or understated design. Given its features, it offers solid value for an automatic timepiece. Product number 4, Cartier Tank Solo. The next watch on our list is the Cartier Tank Solo. This one is a true classic, priced around $4,200. If you're looking for something timeless and elegant, this is definitely worth considering. The Tank Solo features a rectangular case that's both stylish and sophisticated, measuring 30 by 40. With its quartz movement, you can count on it being reliable. Here's what that means for you. It's a watch that complements both formal and casual outfits effortlessly. A downside some users have noted is the lack of features compared to more modern watches. But honestly, if you're after classic elegance, this simplicity is part of its charm. This is perfect for you if you appreciate refined style and history in your accessories. Skip this if you want something with more features or a sporty edge. For the investment, you're getting a piece that's as much about style as it is about timekeeping. Product number 5, Cartier Drive de Cartier. Finally, we have the Cartier Drive de Cartier. Priced around $6,000, it's a great option for someone who loves a vintage-inspired look with a modern twist. If that sounds like you, this watch is worth the investment. The drive features a cushion-shaped case which is unique and eye-catching. The automatic movement ensures accuracy and longevity, while it's also water-resistant up to 30 meters. This is essential if you want a watch that can handle everyday use while still looking fabulous. Here's why that matters. It perfectly blends style with practicality, making it suitable for various occasions. Some people have mentioned that the cushion shape may not fit all wrist sizes comfortably. But honestly, if you try it on, you'll likely find that the unique design is worth it. This is great for you if you want something that stands out and tells a story. Skip it if you prefer traditional round watches. For the price, you get a beautifully crafted piece that offers both uniqueness and functionality. So to wrap it up, we've covered the Cartier Ballon Bleu, Santos Dumont, Calibre de Cartier, Tank Solo, and Drive de Cartier. Each brings its unique flair and craftsmanship to the table. Whether you're after classic elegance or modern luxury, there's definitely a Cartier watch here for you.